Story of Frostvale Lantern. High atop the lonely cliffs of Frostvale Rise stood an old brass lantern, fixed to a crooked post and forever glowing with a soft, misty light. Travellers swore the lantern never went out, not even in the fiercest storms. Some claimed it was magic. Others whispered it was a warning. But no one truly knew, until Mara ventured up there on a night when the world felt thinner than usual. Mara was a mapmaker, curious to the bone. She had spent months charting the remote edges of the northern wilds. Yet Frostvale Rise had remained a blank space on her parchment. When she finally reached the cliff path, the world below was swallowed in fog so thick it looked like the clouds themselves had fallen to earth. At the top, she found the lantern humming faintly, emitting a pale blue glow that shimmered like breath on winter air. As she stepped closer, a sudden gust of wind pushed the fog aside and revealed a narrow stone arch behind the post, half buried in frost. The lantern flickered, then flared brighter, as if urging her forward. Mara hesitated only a moment before stepping through the arch. She emerged into a small hollow carved into the cliffside. Icicles dripped from the ceiling like crystal fangs, and in the center sat an enormous shard of ice, clear as glass, but swirling inside with faint shapes, like memories trapped in snow. As Mara approached, the shard pulsed, and a quiet voice echoed in her mind. The lantern guards what is forgotten, and what seeks to be remembered. Images swirled within the shard: lost travelers, fallen villages, vanished trails. It was a map, one created not by ink, but by memory itself, a record of everything the world had allowed to fade. Mara pressed her palm to the shard. A new image formed, her own map, incomplete, missing all she had struggled to find. Yet slowly, glowing lines unfurled across the shard, revealing paths she had not traced and routes no one had walked in centuries. When she stepped back through the arch, the lantern dimmed to its soft old glow, as if exhausted. Mara descended the cliff with her heart thundering. She knew now why Frostvale Rise had been left blank. It wasn't a place to chart on a map, it was a place that filled the map. And from that night on, whenever she lit her own lantern to work, it flickered with the same pale blue shimmer, as though Frostvale itself was guiding her hand.